Want to learn video editing in 2026 and earn in dollars using just your phone? In this video, I'll show you a simple roadmap from zero to getting clients on Instagram. This roadmap is super simple and beginner friendly. Even if you have zero experience, you can follow this and start earning step by step. Don't miss this video because I'm going to give my editing pack for fully free. For that, make sure to watch till the end. Step 1, the starting point. You don't need a PC or expensive software to start. You can start with a simple phone by using CapCut or Lightmotion. If you're thinking a Lightmotion is paid, it's actually not. And the best part is you can get it in any Telegram channel. For the first few days, just learn basic things like cutting and trimming, simple motion graphics, smooth editing, sound effects. Step 2, practice smart. Now, don't practice randomly, practice smart. You can recreate viral edits and make sure to practice every day. By doing that, your editing will improve a lot. You can upload your edits on Instagram to get clients. Another way to learn is to watch tutorials from YouTube. There are thousands of tutorials in YouTube for completely free. You can see them and practice them in your favorite software. Step 3, building your portfolio. After a few days of practice, you need to build your portfolio because clients will not trust you without proof. Create 5 to 10 of your best edits and upload them on a new Instagram page. Choose a clean username like yourname.edits and write a simple bio such as video editor, reels and shorts, DM for work. Now comes the most important part, getting clients from Instagram. First, choose a niche like podcast, finance, or gaming. Then search for small creators with 1K to 50K followers. Watch their content and think about how you can improve their videos. After that, create a free sample edit for them and send a short message like, "Hi, I edited one of your videos to make it more engaging. Can I send it to you? If you like it, we can work together." Keep your message simple, confident, and value-focused. Finally, when you get your first client, don't worry about charging high prices. Start small with $5 to $10 per video and slowly increase your price as your skills improve. With consistency and daily effort, you can start earning in dollars within 30 days. Just give 1 to 2 hours a day, stay consistent, and keep improving. That's a clear roadmap to earn money by editing videos. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Toonz. Goodbye.